So, yes, the time has come where I have truly and honestly advised someone to not build a website with WordPress, but instead going for Squarespace. And this is not a sponsored blog or anything. And I'm going to explain to you why I did that. So, there is a certain target group, a certain type of people. I think to cut a long story short, my boyfriend's cousin asked me, how fast can you do like a WordPress Elementor website, something like that? And he said he wanted the website yesterday. He's a photographer, like look at his work, it's amazing. And I said, to be honest, I can do it with WordPress and Elementor, but I figured if he wants something yesterday and he just wants a portfolio page and something simple, a few words about him and email, then I said, if you have the budget, go for Squarespace. Now, why? I think Squarespace is good for a certain target group because, especially like photographers or creatives, like filmographers or photographers, what they want, those people are busy, like everyone, we are busy, and they don't want to mess too much with their website. They want a portfolio, something nice and elegant, and Squarespace have done a good job in making responsive websites without needing to do any extra adjustments, where, you know, in WordPress and Elementor, there is a whole set of customization, of course, and adjustment, which is part of the process for a website that needs to be done in WordPress and Elementor or any other page builder. But in this case, you want a portfolio, you want a contact page, and you want, you know, your name to show somewhere so that you can show that as a portfolio to potential customers, where the point of such a website for photographers is just go in, look at your pictures, nothing else. Then honestly, I don't see anything wrong in being done in something like Squarespace. I think it's great and I do recommend it. But let's fix Yuna's website. So these are pictures from Dropbox. He is great. I mean, look at that. Look at this picture. So the goal is now to make him a nice website to showcase these amazing pictures.
So I'm going to show you how I did it. So this is the dashboard. This is what I have created so far. He wanted a black background theme and just a portfolio page with all his pictures, potentially like an about me page. This is just some dummy text and a contact page. Now, we haven't purchased yet the subscription. We're just building it. But how did I do that? It was actually pretty easy. So we're going to make a new one just to show you the process. I'm going to create a website and Squarespace is helping you. So I want a portfolio and it's about photography. So here you have some options that are specifically for portfolios. And this is the one that I chose. And I'm going to start with Mineta. So welcome to your site. Well, you can either do that or skip it. This is my portfolio site, let's say. Theoretically continue. I think it has, okay, you can select the language. It is going to be in Swedish. Next, to add, edit and remove text. It's a short tutorial. Okay, next. Of course, I'm not going to read it. Next, style. That is something that I kind of checked. And get started. So here it is. I don't want that. This was annoying. So don't show again. So this is where the edits happen. So I'm gonna edit. I'm just going to edit. Edit site header. So this is okay. Here you can upload site title. You can add your logo here. Upload the file or select from library. So they have no files. I have nothing on my library, of course. So you have to upload your own logo if you want. Oh, and you can upload a mobile version. Good. If I put some text here, yeah, you see it comes here automatically. So I'm just gonna take away that. Back, elements, social links. Yes, here. If I click that, they are removed. Cart, I don't want cart because we want a simple website. I'm not going to have like any web shop of some sorts. So, well, I'm just gonna leave it as it is, a default. The colors, transparent. Okay, well, I don't need anything here. What I want is to change those pictures. And here, if you click on that, we have a gallery. So, you know, it's a pain. We have to delete all those pictures. Or what I did, I'm going to delete bold remove, yes. And add a section. I'm just gonna get a gallery. Here you have sections. It is similar to Elementor's sections, that they have some certain templates that you can put into your page. So I'm gonna go to gallery and I'm gonna find, what was it? I think it was something like that, or did it have smaller? I'm gonna take this one, and I want this because I know that he has some pictures that are vertical portraits, some that are landscapes. So I'm gonna do that. There are some placeholders, but not as many as before. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm just gonna confirm. I don't know if there is something that I can select all of them. Yes. Oh, delete 4. Yeah. Yes. So I shouldn't have done the other one, but okay, we're learning here. Now I'm going to upload his images. So now all the images are uploaded. Here they are. And I am going to, it's ready. You don't have to do anything. It is ready. You're uploaded. You don't need to do anything else. They are here. Yeah, those are the pictures. Now I think it had a smaller, yeah, let me just, so spacing. Here you can control also, see the spacing between each image. And also, if I'm not mistaken, you can also, you know, change, yeah, reposition them however you want. Yep, and if you want to add a description, this is a description. Where is it? We can see that. Can we see that? Where is the water? Here. Now you can see the captions. Yes. So you go and you activate the captions. There are some additional options: animation, site default, lightbox. If you want lightbox, so that if you click on a picture, they will upload, they will pop up or not. This one, it was lightbox on or off. I don't remember. I think it was off now. So yeah, here you can have some text. I mean, that's it. That is it. So before I close, I always save. Yeah. And my portfolio site, I mean, here it can be your name. Make it site title and logo. His name is Jonas. Let's call it like that. And it is there. And I want to go below here. There is some text, and I can write also that Jonas is here it has a link. Let's work together. Yeah, which you can do that. That. So looks good. Yeah, okay, auto-corrected, of course. So this is a link also, and it is already connected to the contact page from the template. That's cool. And here you have the About Me page. Oh, sorry, I have to save. About. Here you can have a picture, some words about you. Again, here we're gonna put his own text. And this one here, it can be a picture that you want to showcase, you know. You don't have to have all those buttons. We don't want all those texts here. You just want a simple About Me section, a few words, what he does, and contact. And contact, it's just, you know, email, maybe not a telephone number. Here is something, the social media links. Yeah, you edit them, Squarespace. You can put your own Instagram here, of course, very convenient. Your own Twitter, yes. Add social link. It had more. Add social link. I don't know. Facebook. No. Facebook.com/ let's see. That's it, and it took also the Facebook thing. This is just my own page. I just put it as a test here as a placeholder. Yeah, and then that's it. And here you have a simple form, and to edit it here, you need to select storage. You need to put your email. connect to that email, and you can connect it to MailChimp or Zapier or Google Drive. And if you want to have a form, otherwise you can just have your email like this. Yeah, edit footer. We're gonna edit footer also here. Let's do 2021. Let's put his name. But you know, there's something that I don't like. I'm not very happy with this font. Okay, so I'm gonna change it. So how to do that? We're gonna go to design, I think, site styles, yes, and fonts. I want to switch, so I click switch there. And this is like the second time I'm doing it. I haven't spent too much time on this website, I mean Squarespace. So it is kind of easy to make something as like very fast and easy like this. That is great. I want sans serif. I don't want serif. And I'm going to, we have poppings is good. I'm going to do Futura. And you see, it changed it. So yeah, okay, I have started to appreciate Squarespace for certain cases. Like if you're a photographer, if you want a portfolio, yeah. But the goal is, you know, that it is so easy that you can do it. And of course, you don't have to worry about updates and maintain the website. All you have to do is, if you want potentially to go back and upload pictures here on your portfolio page, and that's it. Maybe update your biography if you added some more skills, or if you specialize in more. I mean, if you're a photographer, we're talking about photographers. But if you want a simple 3-page site like this, yes, no problem. Let's see how much does it cost. All pricing plans. So what we need is a personal, right? So we have a free custom domain, we have SSL security, unlimited bandwidth and storage, SEO features for site visibility, good, template to fit every need from blogs to portfolios, yes, included, contributors, 2 people. Contributors is the number of people allowed on your website, fine. Mobile optimized website, yes. Support, profiles, what is profiles? Manage your audience of customers, email, subscribers, donors, and members. Okay, well, I don't think we need that in that case. You have website analytics, that's good. You have some statistics. You don't sell, we're not going to sell online. But yeah, I think that's a good deal. So we're gonna go for that. You can pay annually and you get this price per month. If you choose monthly for whatever reason, you get, of course, a higher price. So, I mean, because you get like $144 for a year, which is okay. I mean, you get, what is it? SiteGround has the same annual cost. Okay, of course, you have to pay attention and read all the stars, because you have like the text with the star here, with the asterisk. You have an all Squarespace website plans purchased for an annual term include 1 year of free domain registration. Domains registered through this promotion will renew at our standard rate, plus applicable taxes after the first year. Prices. All free domains registered are free for the first year. After the first year, the domain will renew for $20. Okay, I mean, usually they cost, I don't know, anything between $15 to $20, or depending the domain name you have. So they have a flat rate, okay. And that is a preview of the website. That is pretty neat. I hope he will like it. We talked about it on the phone. I hope he will like it. And yeah, once it is live, you can just go take a look and give him some love. And if you want a photographer, if you are in Sweden and you want a photographer, I do highly recommend that you book him. And this is me officially making a website on Squarespace. I know. Well, it's not something that happens too often, but in this case, I felt that it was the best choice for the customer. Well, the customer, as I said, my boyfriend's cousin, he's not a customer. We're helping him out, of course. But, you know, so that is how I made a Squarespace website, and it took me, I don't know, 5 minutes. So I'm going to give them that for a simple portfolio, once you have the pictures ready and you know what you want, a short bio and a contact page, you have your email, ready, you can build it in it's not even one day. It took me, 5-10 minutes. So yeah, in this case, success. It was a case that I truly believe that it was the best alternative, so why not? So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments, do you use Squarespace? Are you a hardcore WordPress like I am, kind of without an exception? Okay, do you make exceptions? Yes, let me know in the comments, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.